What's up guys, today at the shop we've got a beautiful Porsche Panamera GTS finished in metallic black. This car already has 10,000 Ks on, the customer brought it to us now. I'll show you in the B-roll some swirls and scratches that the car has. We're going to take it out, do a paint correction. Unfortunately it's got 1 or 2 stone chips as well that we have to repair. After that we're going to apply full self-healing PPF over the entire car. I can't stress this enough. Once you get a car, as soon as it's new, as soon as you take delivery, bring it to us, we'll apply full PPF. That way you avoid this in the future.
I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender. Not going down. I'm gonna stand my ground till the final hour, till the fight is over. Gonna soldier on, 'cause I'm an army of one. Gonna feel my power till the fight is over, till the fight is over, till the fight is over. I'll never surrender. Not going down without a fight. I'll never surrender, 'cause I was born to stay alive. I'll get through the struggle, pull myself from the rubble. It's never over until it's over. I'm not going under. I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender. There's a strength in me, got no defeat. I'm a survivor. This fight ain't over, 'cause I'm rising up, never giving up. Never say never. This fight ain't over. This fight ain't over. This fight ain't over. I'll never surrender. Not going down without a fight. I'll never surrender, 'cause I was born to stay alive. I'll get through the struggle, from the rubble. It's never over until it's over. I'm not going under.
That's a wrap on this Porsche. We went to the client's house in Joburg, we fetched the car, brought it to our shop, we did a full assessment, decontaminated the paint, we did a full 2-stage paint correction, detailed the inside, we then applied our full self-healing PPF over the entire car. It's now looking awesome, glossy, fully protected, and I'm sure this customer is going to love it. Guys, thanks for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. Please hit that subscribe button, like it, share it with your friends. See you on the next one.